Hey guys, it's Rara Arts. See me play with clay. Yeah, now just play. See this dinosaur head?
You can wait for the next game. Come, Raya. They got you.
See these dinosaurs? I'm gonna squash them.
Nikki.
Just see it.
Nikki, Baka, Vicky.
Just see it. See some part of the dinosaur. Okay? Right, so now I'm just gonna say something like saying, the beach was so beautiful and clear. Never seen anything like that. See, now let's find the other one. Is there any clay? Yeah. I made it disappear. See? It's just this. Now in 1, 2, 3. I brought it back again.
Then both of them moved. When he turned that way, then we did move earlier. And now then when we turned around, they did move. We did.
I'm gonna make everything disappear now. 1, 2, 3. Bah! Everything disappeared. Okay, now I'm gonna make it appear in 1, 2, 3. There we go. Everything appeared. Now I'm gonna bring something she'll never know. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, 4. There, see guys, I brought this. It's little charms, you can see there, some charms, but I'm not gonna use that today. I'm gonna make the chair even disappear in 1, 2, 3. Damn, made the chair disappear. I'm gonna bring the chair back with everything that was on. 1, 2, 3. See, everything is back. Like to my video if you love this video. Okay guys, so I'm just playing. Look at that.